Hello, and thank you for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by hitting that subscribe button and remember the notification bell because that way you will be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. This video is sort of going to be like a Mother's Day gift idea or just some home decor for yourself. And I'm going to be using 3 of these little wood boxes from Micheals, and these are 99¢. I also have some stickers actually from Micheals. These are pretty crumbled. I had this pack for a while and I dug it out of my craft box because I thought these would be cute for Mother's Day. And one of these little candle holders, these are like the little square mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I think those are actually candle holders, and I'm going to be using some white chalk paint and the antique wax. Now I'm only going to take the string off of 2 of them because this is going to be a tray, but I don't know if my niece is going to want to hang this because it's going to be a mirror on there. So I'm going to leave that string on the one in the middle so that she can have the options, because I will be gifting this to my niece. And so after I get all 3 pieces glued together, what I'm going to do is take the antique wax and I am going to stain all around these boxes, but not in the inside. I thought this would be cute for a tray, and then I said, oh, this would also be cute hanging. My niece now is working from home for a time, and she's created this really cute workspace, and she wanted me to create her some decor for her desk. And so I decided, it's Mother's Day coming up, I am going to create her some really cute DIYs in today's video that she can style in her little office space. So after I get around this stained, what I'm going to do next is paint the inside of these boxes using the white chalk paint. And as you can see later, I didn't even have to paint the middle box because that's where I'm going to put the mirror, but I got a little paint happy and I painted all 3 of the boxes. And as you can see, yep, I painted that for nothing, but it's okay. And so what I'm going to do is take my little file and just sand around these boxes, and I can clean up any spots that may got some white paint on them. And then after I get that complete, what I'm going to do next is get those stickers from Micheals, and I'm going to add some on each end. And I'm going to go with this one that says "Make Today Beautiful." And then I'm going to add some of the little flower stickers around that as well. And this sticker says "Stay Lovely." I thought these were so cute. And then I'm just going to put a few of the floral stickers around the little sayings. And then after I get that complete, what I'm going to do is take some Mod Podge and I am going to go over these stickers so that everything could be nice and secure. I'm just adding some of the smaller little flowers to these as well. And then after I finish getting everything covered with the Mod Podge, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the little glass square mirror from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use some of my Gorilla Glue and some hot glue, and I'm going to attach that right to the middle, and then this DIY will be complete. This was really simple, but I absolutely love this. And I just styled it with one of the little Dollar Tree cream jugs that says "Home is where our family gather." And I think this is a really cute tray. And then it's also a great hanging mirror too as well. I think it looks cute if she styled this on her desk for a mirror. I absolutely love it. I'm going to get started on the next DIY for today, and I'm going to be using 2 of these hearts from Micheals, and these were 99¢, and they have the little flat bottom that I like, and these were 2 for $1 at Michael's. These are like the little squares from the Dollar Tree. They just a little thicker, and I'm going to be using some more of those stickers and the same color paint choices. I'm going to paint these 2 wood squares first using that antique wax. I'm just going to stain them and then wipe off any excess with some paper towel. And then after I get both of those stained, what I'm going to do is use that white chalk paint, and I'm going to paint both of those hearts. This DIY is really simple, but I think it's so cute. I absolutely love these, and I will be creating some of these for myself. Now, what I'm going to do is just take that file again and just sand around the edges, bringing back some of that natural color. And then I'm just going to take 2 of the little floral stickers and add them to the middle, and then I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to go over those stickers just to make sure that everything is nice and secured. And then all I have to do is add these to the little wood pieces, and as you can see, I'm just gluing these down right to the edge to create me some little wood coasters. And I think these are so cute. You can use these for bookends, you can use these for cup holder coasters, and these also could be used as candle holders. I think these turned out really cute. And so now what I'm going to do is get started on the third DIY for today. And what I'll be using is 2 of these small candles from Walmart for 99 cents and 2 of these stencils. These say be happy and be you. And I'm going to be using some truffle color and white chalk paint. The first thing I'm going to do is take that truffle color and I'm going to paint over these candles. After I get both of them painted, I am going to be using some jute cord as well as some more of those stickers from Micheals, and I'm just going around the top with some jute cord, and then I'm just going to tack it down with some hot glue and cut off the excess. And I'm going to do this to both of them. And then after I get that complete, what I'm going to do next is take those Dollar Tree stencils and I am going to stencil those be you and be happy little reefs right on top. And I'm just going to take some of that painter's tape to help me keep the stencil still. And then what I'm going to do is take that white chalk paint and I'm just going to dab right over both of these stencils. And then after I get both of those completed, I am just going to pull my tape up. And then what I'm going to do is take 2 of those little floral stickers from Micheals, and I'm just going to add one to both of the little reefs. And then after I get that done, I'm going to Mod Podge over these candles to keep everything protected. And then once I get both of those done, I did take some jute cord and create 2 small little basic bows, and I'm just going to hot glue those right next to the little floral sticker. And then after I get that done, these little candles are so cute, and my niece loves candles, so I thought these would be cute styled in her little office. How adorable are these? And these also will look cute styled on those little coasters that I made. I think these are so adorable. And so now I'm going to get started on the 4th DIY. I have 4 of these little wood hanging signs from Micheals, and these were 99 cents. I think these are so cute. And I'm going to be using 4 of the little wood planks from the Dollar Tree out of the 6-pack. And I'm going to be using some of the stickers from Micheals as well as some of these letters from Hobby Lobby. I love using those. And I'm going to be using some of the white chalk paint as well. And so what I'm going to do first is paint those wood squares using that white chalk paint. And after I get them painted, I'm going to take my file, my nail buffer, and I'm just going to buff over these signs just to make sure they smooth so I could add my Hobby Lobby letters. And those letters are usually $3.99, but I get them on a 50% off day, so I pay $1.99, and I think they are worth it because you get so many letters. Now on the first plank, I'm going to put the word love because I want to put the saying love is easy, and I'm going to put the word on each plank. And I love the phrase love is easy because hate is hard and love is easy, and we need to love one another. And so after I get the words on there, I am going to take those Micheals floral stickers and I'm going to add a few of those to each one of these planks. After I add my letters, before I add my stickers this time, I am going to Mod Podge over the letters first because I find that if I Mod Podge it first, the stickers will stick better, and then I'll go over the stickers again. Now I did add a third sticker on this sign that says easy, but I end up removing that third one because I didn't like it. So what I'm going to do is just continue adding the rest of my stickers, and then I'll just go back and remove that third one. And so once I get this complete, all I have to do now is just add my little planks to these signs, and I think these are so cute. And I love that these signs already have the cord attached to the back so that I can hang these, and you can stand these up against a bookshelf or you can hang them. I just think these turned out really pretty. And I think these just make a really cute gift, and you can put any phrase on these. I just absolutely love how they turned out. These were very budget friendly, easy to do, and they turned out with a nice high-end look to them. And you can style them several different ways, and they pair up really great with some of the other DIYs that I created in today's video. And so I'm going to get started on the last DIY for today, and I'm going to be using this 2 pair of wreaths from the Dollar Tree, and I have some florals here from Micheals, and these were $1.20, and the rest of these were on clearance for 99 cents, and I think these are so pretty. And so what I'm going to do is style the smaller wreath first, and I'm just going to cut some of my floral pieces down so that I can add them to the wreath. And what I'm going to do is just stick the little blue flowers right at the top, and then I'm going to style this halfway. So what I'm doing is just taking now the little small pink ones and add them to the top, and then I'm going to take that bigger pink rose and add it right in between, and then I'm just going to take those leftover greenery, the leaves, and add them right up under the bigger flower. And then this one is already complete. Very simple, but it's so cute. And I'm going to do the same technique for the larger one. I'm going to take the blue flowers and add them to the top, and then I'm going to go to the bottom and do the other set of blue flowers, and then I'm going to take the 2 bigger pink flowers and I'm going to attach those in the middle. And then I'm just going to take the rest of the greenery and the floral pieces and just blend them in at the top and the bottom of this wreath. And I think these colors look really pretty together, style for the spring or for Mother's Day. And so what I'm doing now is just finishing off adding all of the little pieces that I had left over. And then once I get all of them in there, this wreath will be complete. These were so simple, but they are so beautiful. I absolutely love these. All of these came out so nice, budget friendly, and easy to do. And I think these would be great for Mother's Day gifts or just for some home decor. And I absolutely love how they turned out. Here is the second look of all of the DIYs that I created today. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. If you liked today's video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. In the comment section below, let me know which one of these were your favorite. And until next time, my friends, stay safe and I will see you in the next video.